Hey there, bird enthusiasts. Welcome back to Lovminal. We're diving into the wonderful world of pet bird care. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting bird and all kinds of pets related content. Let's get started with the ultimate guide on how to take care of your feathered friends. Choosing the right bird. Before you bring a pet bird into your life, it's important to choose the right species that matches your lifestyle. Consider factors like size, noise level, and temperament. Some popular choices include budgies, cockatiels, and lovebirds. Setting up their home. Creating a comfortable and stimulating environment is crucial for your bird's well-being. A spacious cage with horizontal bars for climbing is a must. Fill it with toys, perches, and swings to keep them engaged and mentally stimulated. Nutrition and diet. Just like us, birds need a balanced diet. Offer a variety of high-quality bird pellets, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Avoid foods that are toxic to birds, such as chocolate, caffeine, and avocado. Always provide clean, fresh water as well. Socialization and training. Birds are social creatures, so spend time with them daily to build a strong bond. Gentle handling and positive reinforcement training can help them learn tricks and commands. Remember, patience is key. Hygiene and grooming. Maintaining proper hygiene is essential for your bird's health. Regularly clean their cage, change the bedding, and provide a shallow dish for bathing. Trim their nails and beak if needed, or consult a vet or professional for guidance. Healthcare and veterinary visits. Regular checkups with an avian veterinarian are crucial. Birds often hide signs of illness, so it's important to catch any health issues early. Keep an eye out for changes in behavior, appetite, or droppings. Environmental enrichment. Keep your pet birds mentally stimulated by offering new toys, rearranging their cage, and providing opportunities for flight. Allowing them to spread their wings and explore in a safe space is essential. Creating a routine. Establishing a consistent daily routine helps your birds feel secure. Set specific times for feeding, social interaction, and playtime. Birds thrive on predictability. Safety first. Bird-proofing your home is essential to prevent accidents. Remove toxic plants, secure windows and doors, and be cautious of household chemicals. There you have it, bird lovers. Taking care of your pet birds requires love, commitment, and understanding. Remember, every bird is unique, so pay attention to their individual needs and behaviors. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join our flock for more amazing content. Until next time, keep spreading those wings and cherishing those chirps.